find a polynomial given certain information. Here are the following steps. So you always have to have zeros. One thing is you can have some real zeros, but you can also have imaginary zeros. So say 4 as a real zero and 2i as an imaginary root. If 2i is a zero, then by the complex conjugate root theorem, negative 2i is also. So usually only one is going to be listed. Secondly, you need an initial statement. So f of 0 equals 4. This initial statement can change for every single one you do, but it needs to be there in order to find the value of the constant. So when we set up to find the actual polynomial, we'll have f of x equals a. This is directly tied to this, so we can find what that constant is going to be in the end. And then you write your zeros as factors. X minus 4, x minus 2i, x plus 2i. This is the initial setup. The very first thing you're going to do is you're going to solve for a. When you solve for a, you have, again, this will always be plugged in here. So if your function equals 4 when x is 0, we have a. And then when you plug in 0 for x, negative 4, negative 2i, 2i. So continuing to solve for a, we have 4 equals 2i times a negative 2i is a negative 4i squared, or a positive 4. So that would be a positive 4. Positive 4 times a negative 4 is a negative 16 times a. So a is equal to a negative 1/4. To finalize your polynomial, you take this a and you plug it in. When you plug it in, I would have f of x equals negative 1/4 x minus 4, x minus 2i, and then x plus 2i. Sorry to squeeze it in there, but I want to keep it to one slide. That would be your function in factored form. If you would like to find it into standard form, which is required typically, you would FOIL out your three quantities and then distribute negative 1/4 x. If you have any questions, let me know.